Before you even think about making money online with Amazon KDP, stop. Because there's one mistake, just one tiny misstep, that could wipe out every dollar you've made. And it's the same mistake that's already cost some authors 6 figures in lost royalties. You might think your books are safe because they've already sold. You're wrong. Amazon can still delist your books without warning, even if they've been paying you for months. So if you're serious about building passive income with Amazon KDP, you need to watch this video until the end. I'll explain what that critical mistake is, how to avoid it, and the exact steps to protect your books. Oh, and if you've been sleeping on audiobooks, this might be your gold mine. I'm going to show you how you can turn your books into audiobooks using Amazon ACX and create a second income stream. At the end of the video, I'll link a tutorial on how to start your first audiobook project. But if the process sounds confusing, just drop Amazon ACX in the comments. I already have approved ACX accounts with live books available, and if you're interested, I'll help you get started. And hey, subscribe right now if you're serious about growing your income. It really helps the channel grow and brings more free value your way. So, what is this mistake that can ruin everything? It's reusing or modifying content that Amazon considers low quality or duplicated, even if it's technically your own. Many new KDP publishers make this mistake without knowing. They publish a second version of a book, change the cover, switch a few pages, or slightly alter the title. And suddenly, they're flagged for misleading content or duplication. Amazon's bots are fast and ruthless. The minute they suspect reused or repurposed content, they delist your books. And, if it happens too often, they ban your account entirely. Imagine waking up one day and seeing that your bestsellers, books that have earned you thousands, are just gone. No warning, no explanation, no appeal. That's what happened to one creator who had made over $120,000 from coloring books. She republished a second edition under a new pen name with a few changes, thinking it was smart branding. A month later, her account was closed. That's why this isn't just theory. It's a real 6-figure mistake. And the worst part? She didn't break the rules on purpose. She just didn't fully understand how strict Amazon's policy is on duplicate content. Don't let that be you. Even if you're republishing your own material, you need to treat it like brand new content. New layout, new text, new design. Because with Amazon, kind of different is not different enough. Alright, so now that you know this 6-figure mistake, how do you actually protect yourself and make sure your books stay published? First, understand this. Amazon doesn't care how much money you've made. If your book breaks the rules, intentionally or not, they can remove it without notice, and they won't feel bad about it. That's why your number one goal should be compliance before profit. Here's how you do it. Never reuse interiors, even if they're yours. Each new book needs to be substantially different in content, layout, and structure. Don't upload the same book under different pen names, even with small changes. Amazon tracks that. Always use original keywords and descriptions that accurately represent your book. Misleading metadata is another red flag. If you're updating a book, use Amazon's edit function. Don't upload it as a new title. Keep receipts, licenses, or proof of rights if you're using commercial images, fonts, or PLR content, even if it's modified. Avoid using the same templates, themes, or prompts across dozens of books. Even if they're technically different, that pattern can get flagged. What Amazon really wants is value. If you're just mass-producing filler content, you're putting your entire account at risk. I know this sounds intense, but I promise you, once you understand the system, it's easy to stay compliant. Treat every upload like a professional product. Unique design, clear branding, proper keywords, and honest representation. If you're ever in doubt, Don't risk it, ask for help, or hold off until you're sure. Because with Amazon, one mistake isn't just a strike, it can be your last. Now let me show you something most KDP publishers ignore, but it's a massive missed opportunity. Amazon ACX. ACX is Amazon's audiobook platform. It lets you turn your existing KDP books into audiobooks and reach a completely new audience without rewriting anything. That same coloring book, that low-content journal, it can be narrated, repurposed, or combined into an audiobook format. And here's the best part. The competition is way lower on ACX. I already have approved ACX accounts with live books inside. If you're overwhelmed or don't know where to start, drop a comment that says Amazon ACX. I'll reach out and show you how to get access to these ready-to-go accounts. They're available for a one-time fee, and they're perfect if you don't want to deal with the setup headache. Now you might be thinking, but what if I get an account and no one buys the audiobooks? Don't worry. I've already developed a strategy to help drive more traffic and purchases to your Amazon listings. Once you comment Amazon ACX, I'll send you the full breakdown of how it works, plus the strategy to get actual sales and visibility. This is a plug-and-play way to expand your Amazon income without needing to start from scratch. And again, if the ACX publishing process feels too complex, that's fine. At the end of this video, I'm linking a step-by-step tutorial that shows exactly how to publish your audiobook using Amazon ACX. But if you want to skip the line, you know what to do. Just comment Amazon ACX. Let's wrap this up with a few critical takeaways. If you plan to build long-term income with Amazon KDP, you need to think like a brand, not a shortcut hunter. Avoid reusing content, copying trends without understanding the rules, or publishing just to publish. It's not worth losing everything. Stay compliant, stay original, and when in doubt, ask. If you're serious about maximizing your profits, don't forget the audiobook opportunity through Amazon ACX. Comment Amazon ACX below and I'll personally connect with you. I have pre-approved accounts ready for publishing, plus a real strategy to help your books get noticed and purchased. Also, if you want a powerful strategy to boost sales on your ACX account, reach out to me directly on WhatsApp using the link in the description. And if you'd rather do it all yourself, that's cool too. At the end of this video, I'm linking to a free step-by-step ACX tutorial to walk you through everything. Plus, for my visual creators, I'm also linking another video on how to create your first coloring book, start to finish. If you got value from this, hit that subscribe button right now. It supports the channel and helps me create more content just like this. Stay smart, stay compliant, and keep building your online income the right way.